everyone, Daphne here. Welcome to our very first Hope Live. I promise it's 8:02. I'm a little bit late, but we are going to get started right now. And I told you it's going to be unboxing, and that's what it's going to be. I received 2 packages in the mail today with all the cute little, sorry, I'm doing a really bad job with the stickers. And so I'm going to open them right now. I was totally going to pre-open them so that it wouldn't, actually not have to watch me cutting, but I'm going to be kind of, last minute because I'm kind of a last minute person. So we have a lot of stuff going on in November because November is holiday shopping. So do you like holiday shopping or you just want to get it done and over with? I am here to help you with both. So the way I can help you is that we are having the Bright Friday sale starting next week early, just November 20th. And what is Bright Friday? Bright Friday is just a better way of saying Black Friday. So in my first box here, I have a pair of earrings from my favorite country, the Philippines, because the Philippines, they make products using Capiz shells. So these shells are washed and they're smoked and they look gorgeous, but the best part about them is they're super lightweight. So I'm wearing my herringbone necklace, which has been super trendy and popular, and I'm going to add on, so ironically I was actually going to put on a pair of earrings. I ran out of time, and so I was going to put on these earrings, which are actually a surprise because they actually are not out. We have a silver form of them, but this gold one, shh, they haven't been released yet. I got them for secret when I was in Guatemala. Our CEO and raffled off different products, and that was one of them that I got. So it comes with these plastic backings here, which are great because it keeps them from falling off, but also keeps them from coming off pretty easily. So I might end up just wearing one earring in order to save time. Okay, so here they are. Here they are, coming through my ear like this. So see, super lightweight, kind of a pearly white. I love them. And again, yeah, I do really love the things from the Philippines. The Philippines is also very famous for, in terms of Trades of Hope, famous for their ornaments that come out every year, because just like this shell, can you imagine an ornament looking like this? And when the sunlight shines upon your Christmas tree, ooh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so these are from the Philippines. They are called the Capiz leaf earrings, because see, they look like leaves. Okay, so Capiz, C-A-P-I-Z, leaf earrings. Next package. Okay, so while I open this one shouldn't take as long to open. I wanted to let you know that because of Bright Friday coming up next Wednesday, I want you to be an insider, which means I want you to join my Bright Friday group. And it's going to be a messenger chat, so it's not all going to be on here in the VIP group, okay? So what do I have in here? Oh, from India. I'm actually much more of an earring girl, so that's why I ended up buying more earrings. Beautiful. I should put one on each because it's just hilarious, but let me open up a little bit. But these earrings are called, I'm really bad with remembering the names of things. These are called the champagne vine earrings, and that kind of makes sense because it's got that pretty champagne color, kind of looking like it's on a vine. And I can tell that these are lightweight. I am, yes, a very lightweight kind of earring gal. Are you a lightweight kind of earring person? So there's that. And then, what is this? It's actually from the country I just got back from. I met her! Her name is Clara, and she's so amazing. She leads all these women. I got to meet 3 young women that she works with, and she does an amazing job doing so much good work, and she really appreciates our efforts, because, times are tough in Guatemala. Times are tough all around the world, of course. But just a little bit here and there. Truly, if we can each make just one fair trade gift purchase, this holiday season, can you imagine how much amazing work can that be? Just a little bit from each person, a whole lot. And then the big companies will notice fair trade saying, why aren't they shopping with us? And they'll recognize the need for paying the workers what they deserve, what they need to make a living. So I have here an apron. It's called the Tipco apron, right? Is that correct? Yeah, T-I-P-C-O, or is it Tipico? I need my reading glasses. Tipico, T-I-P-I-C-O, Tipico, all right? Because my apron that I've had for a long time is super cute. It's got little ruffles on it, but it's also got like big holes in it now too. So I'm like, I better get a new apron. So this is nice because look, it's adjustable right here with the ring. And, oh, it's gorgeous. And, oh, you can't see it because it's so low, so I'm going to have to bring this up. It's got, my other apron didn't have it. It's got pockets. Fun. Okay, so I've got the apron on. Got my new Capiz leaf earrings on. I'm wearing the herringbone necklace. And then the final items that I cannot put on because they're not meant to be worn. These are perfect gifts for you dog lovers, okay? They come from this artisan and many others from Nepal. Nepal, it says here, I grew up in a small village in Nepal where women suffer from gender discrimination, child marriage, and the dowry system. I moved to the city for education and independence. Your purchase helps me fulfill my dreams and help women overcome discrimination. So you will never guess what's in here. I have 3 of them. And what are they? Woof, 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 woof. Oh my God, they're really so cute. Look at this guy. Hi, woof, woof. Please buy me. Please buy fair trade. I have this guy in black, and I have, oh, this one might be my favorite. I have this guy in a brown color. Woof, 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 woof. This guy's in brown. Oh, and then this guy over here is in white. Oh, they're so cute. So who has a dog liver? Are you a dog liver or someone else? You can get them an ornament, a fair trade ornament, and make a huge difference in the world. When we empower women out of poverty, when one woman comes out of poverty, she brings 5 other people with them statistically. So what about you? You ready to do some shopping? Then please join my Bright Friday group. Just comment below that you want to join. Just say Bright Friday or add me, and I will add you to the group chat. So thank you so much. Look, I even made it in less than 10 minutes. So there was a couple more things. One more thing I wanted to tell you, that on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday the 19th, is called Together Tuesday, something that we here at Trades of Hope like to do. And there's going to be a new set of earrings. I got a sneak peek at them when I was at Guatemala. And they are, I will tell you, they're also light. They're also pretty fancy, so you can rock them for like a big party during the holidays. But they're a really cool fashion idea. And then I didn't tell you guys about Guatemala. I said I was going to tell you about my journey, and then of course life got the better of me. So I will post more on Guatemala, but I will say it was such an incredible time because we went to Antigua, which is an old city, cobblestone, still on the roads, and many pretty brightly colored buildings, really bright like yellows and bright pastels and such. The food was amazing, a great place to visit if you're looking for a safe place to go tour. And we got to meet so many artisans, and we got to see a lot of the material like this and learn about how a lot of the fabrics that we have, this is also from Guatemala. Oh yeah, I have to share about this thing too. From Guatemala will come from like a people group, and so you'll see the patterns, and it's based on some sort of design by that people group. Okay, one more thing that I wanted to say is based on this pillow. This is a pillow that came out a long time ago. There is a purse that we have. It's a tote, the Corta tote, C-O-R-T-E, the Corta tote. This is not the Corta tote. I don't own the Corta tote, but the Corta tote is this beautiful blue and white stripes with this ribbon of beautiful color. And if you can imagine that as the fabric for the Corta tote. We are working with a group called Project Warm, which helps women who struggle with substance abuse. And if you can't, let's say you're someone that's like, I don't need another bag, but maybe you want to gift one to someone. So you can gift the Corta tote, and inside will be some other things like some lip balms and some nice refreshing things. So basically a gift tote. If you want to buy one of those for someone, just I'm going to put the details in the comments to let you know. So one last thing, and it's going to be less than 15-minute live video. One more thing, which is giveaway. I said there's going to giveaway. Now, this is my first Hope Live, and so I'm kind of expecting that like not many are going to watch it because I'm trying to revive my my group. And so I'm just going to do a small one, and then as we grow, because I really believe more people are going to start coming every week to Hope Live, I will give bigger gifts. So this is a bicycle. See, it says freedom on it, giving freedom. There are times when Trades of Hope will donate or gift a bicycle to a girl based on how people are purchasing and such. Gift a bicycle to a girl in Cambodia so she can get safely to school without being kidnapped, trafficked, or whatnot. And so please comment bicycle if you want to do this. So if you want to do Bright Friday, say Bright Friday or add me. If you want to be in the bicycle drawing, then put in bicycle, okay? Or if you just comment, I'm going to put you in the drawing anyways. So that's about it. Thank you so much. I will see you next week, right? Today I'm doing it Thursday at 8. I'm debating if I should do Wednesday or Thursdays, or maybe just do whatever. So please let me know if you have a preference for Wednesday or Thursday evenings, okay? And you can always watch the replay, okay? Thanks so much. Take care. Bye. I gotta find the end button now. There it is. Okay, bye.